In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop TunnelBear VPN from auto launch. So if your TunnelBear VPN app is always launched whenever you start up your computer and you wish to go ahead and turn this feature off, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open Tunnel VPN program. And as you can see, mine is already on. Then head over to settings gear here and tap on it. And you'll be taken to the settings option. Under this, go ahead and choose general. Now under general, go to the first option here, launch TunnelBear on startup. You can see currently it is turned on. That's why your TunnelBear application is always launched on startup. To turn it off, toggle off this. And from now henceforth, TunnelBear will not be launched whenever you start your computer or you power on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.